Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I'm Atul, and in this video we are going to discuss about the mode function from statistics module in Python. So this mode function returns the single most common data point from discrete or nominal data. The mode is the most common typical value and it serves as a measure of central location. If there are multiple modes with the same frequency, then it will return the first encountered in the data. And in case if the input data is empty, then this function will raise a statics error. One thing that you have to note that this mode function assumes that you are providing a discrete data and it will always return a single value. So let's take a very simple example that we have a list one. In this list one, I have couple of items. Let's say that one, two, two, three, comma four, comma five, or let's keep three, four times over here. Okay. So let's keep two ones. One is fine. Two, three, three. Let's keep three one more time and then five. Let's remove five. Okay. Now let's print this list one. Now, in case if I want to get the mode of this list, you can see that three is the number which is appearing more than any other numbers, right? So our mode will be three. So in case if I use this statics.mode function, I can simply use it over here saying that print statics.mode, and then we have to give the argument. For us the argument will be this list 1, and now if I run it, okay, I'm getting an error saying that is not defined. Okay, I have to import this module first, so let me import it over here, and then I can simply put s.mode. So now if I run it, you can see that we are getting the value as 3 as our output. So this mode function is one of the unique function in our statics module, and that is because it can be applied to a nominal or non-numeric data also. So let's take a very simple example. So let's say that I have list 2. In this list 2, I'm just going to give couple of colors. So let's say red, again red, let's put blue, green. And now if I print the mode of this list 2, I should get red as our output. So if I run it, you can see that we are getting red. So this is how basically you can use the mode function from the statistics model in Python. Happy learning and see you in the next video.